This is the collar of the carburetor that holds the air filter.
Yep.
And I managed to get it off, and you can see these are the bolts that hold the air filter on. One's broken off the top completely and is really bent. Managed to get that out after a struggle. So I've got two nice new ones to put in, but there should be a gasket on the bottom of this, which is missing. So we're going to have to make a gasket up to fit that, which is what I'm going to try to do right now. This is some oil resistant jointing gasket we got, so we'll try and make it out of this.
It's 2 mil.
2 mil thick, yeah. So what I'll do is we'll cut a bit off of here and then try and make it. I've got the outline done. It's a bit of a weird shape. It's got one lobe bigger than the other. Anyway, now I want to get these holes lined up properly. So what I'm going to do is hopefully I'll do that with a little drill. Yep, I can get some holes marked here. That's where they need to be, because I don't think I'm going to be able to cut them out. And I'm a bit worried, I'm not really sure how I can cut those out, apart from drill them. Don't know whether that's going to work with this cardboard, but we'll give it a try. Okay, so I've got an electric drill, which I'm going to try, but if that rips it all up, I'm going to use my handy old hand drill. Let's hope the electric one works first. So I'll set it on slow, and I'm going to do a test hole in the middle here, because I'm going to cut this bit out anyway. So let's see what happens. Ooh. Ah. Yeah.
Quite neat.
Could do with being a little bit
bigger. Yeah, because you don't want to put any like swarf down the holes, do you? Cardboard swarf.
No. Yeah, right. So I don't know.
Maybe you do that a couple of times before you put it on.
Yeah.
Just wiggle it around a bit, and then we can trim the edges.
Well, that seems all right now, I think.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that'll do. Because when we put this on,
yeah,
these go through the air filter first, and then you've got to put the air filter on top of this collar.
Mm-hmm.
So if you put this bit on there,
yeah,
and then you've got a big round air filter, you can't see where all the screws are and everything, it'll be a bit awkward. So the best thing to do would be to have your air filter upside down with these poking through, then put
the gasket on it.
Yeah. And if it's tight, it will stay on there when you turn the whole lot upside down to
fit it onto the carb. Yeah.
Because if I was designing this, I'd have these two fitted in there with bolts on the top, so you could just put the air filter on there like that.
Yeah.
And then do up your nuts on the top. But
yeah,
this is their design.
It's a strange design, isn't it?
Very,
that you have to take off the whole air filter box.
Yeah.
To do the air filter.
To change the air filter.
Yeah, it's
very bad
odd.
design. So I'm now going to drill these two holes, because I don't want to drill them after I've cut all this out, because it will probably all fall to bits if I try.
Yes.
Afterwards.
Yeah, it would. There wouldn't be much left, would there?
So what we'll do is we'll do one. And then we'll do the t'other.
I'm glad you decided to put a bit of board down rather than do it directly on the kitchen table.
Well, I thought you might object to that slightly. As I've done stuff like that in the past.
Yes, you have, haven't
And been in trouble. Now, the thing is, have I drilled them right? Well, we'll put these through. So I give it a little bit of an up and down, don't we? And see if they match up with that. Before I go any further, there you go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Right, okay.
Lovely.
Now, next bit is cutting the actual gasket out with my trusty little knife. I'm not sure how to go about this. What do you reckon? Shall cut the inner hole out and then the outer one?
I would cut the inner hole because it's more stable, but...
Yeah, it gives you more stability for when you cut the outside one, doesn't it?
It's difficult, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whatever it is, you're going to end up with a thin bit of cardboard while you're cutting.
Yeah.
Either the inner or the outer.
Now, this doesn't have to be...
The outer thing isn't so important, is it?
This could actually be a bit bigger.
Yeah. It's the inner circle that's important, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bit can actually be a bit bigger, and it doesn't really make a lot of difference.
No, because it will just hang out the carbon.
Yeah.
Might attract a bit more moisture, maybe.
Yeah.
You know, like if the rain falls on it or something.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's true. But it's well underneath the
airbox.
Airbox, yeah. Okay.
I would do the inner circle first, I think.
Right. Okay.
Because you've got more to hang on to, haven't you?
Right. So here we go.
Yep.
Hey, there we go.
That's quite neat.
Yeah.
Let's see the edges. Hang on.
It's a little bit smaller on the back than the front.
I can't see it up there. Put it down.
Smaller on the back than the front.
I see, because you've got it at an angle.
Yeah.
You had the blade at an angle, I see. It's very neat, though.
That's my bit. Right, so that should...
You need to put it on the top, though, because you won't see if it overhangs otherwise.
Yeah, see, this way.
No, the other way around.
Yeah, I know. No, that'll be okay. Overhanging very slightly, but
yeah,
don't think it'll make that much difference.
Oh.
We're not into precision engineering.
And it's just for the collar to go up through. It's for the throat of the carb to go up through. It won't be in the carb.
No, so actually what I'll have to do is to cut the back out a bit as well. Otherwise,
because the coat, it goes through it, doesn't it? That's not actually in the throat of the carb, that gasket, is it?
No. So, okay, what we'll do is then we'll
cut the back slightly.
Angle at the back. So,
what have you done now?
Right, I've cut the circle bit out.
Yep.
And now I'm going to cut this bit out.
Oh, right, okay.
But now looking at the position of these holes to the outline here, they look a bit off centre. So what I'm going to do to get it right, because I don't think that's quite right, although the hole is right to this big hole is right to these two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this in here and remark it.
Just to make double sure?
Just to make double sure, because I'm not too sure about that.
Okay.
But if I put that in there...
In theory though, As long as it roughly fits and covers the metal mostly with no gaps, it'll be effective, won't it?
Yes, but you know me.
You want it to be perfect.
I want it to be just right.
Then it would have been easier if we could have just bought one.
Yeah, not as much fun though.
Okay, well.
Aye.
No, probably a lot dearer. I think that sheet of gasket material was like $1.99.
Oh, was it all?
Yeah.
And we could always make some more gaskets. I was thinking we might even make some new gaskets for the cooker top.
Oh, but that's not heat resistant, does it matter?
Oh, yeah, no, that'll be no good then.
It might set on fire.
It'll burn.
We can get some gasket material, fire resistant gasket material, if you want to have a go at that.
I want to bother, to be honest with you.
It makes the hob work better.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Yeah, it was slightly out.
Did it change? Put it down. Let me
Very,
see.
very, very slightly out. You can see.
Yeah, you've got a bit of a thicker line, haven't you, around one edge. Okay.
Okay, but it's not going to be that accurate anyway. Right.
Get cutting.
Right, that's that cut out. Let us see if it fits now. One, two, slightly out. Slightly out around the edges, a bit smaller, but considering.
Let's have a look at the
Not too bad.
tip-top shape. Oh yeah, I see. Not bad though. No gaps.
No gaps.
Filled all the way around.
Yeah.
Should work a treat.
I think so. So that's it. So now we can put all the carburetor back together again and see if it's going to work.
Lovely.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.